When your home feels drafty, what's the first thing you usually blame? I know for me and most other homeowners, it's gonna be those windows. But what if the windows are actually innocent? I'm about to explain to you all about some other possible culprits. When homeowners feel cold air near a window, it's easy to assume the window is the problem, but that's not always what's happening. The draft you're feeling may have started somewhere completely different and simply traveled through your home. This means your house acts like a chimney. As warm air escapes through the upper levels of the home, replacement air gets pulled in through the lower levels. This continuous air movement can create drafts throughout the house. Now I'm gonna blow your mind. Some of the biggest air leaks in the home are actually hidden. Common sources include rim joists, attic bypasses, plumbing penetrations, electrical penetrations, crawl spaces, and unfinished basement areas. The drafts you're feeling near the window show up because of temperature differences. The cooler glass surfaces can make moving air more noticeable even when the actual leak is somewhere else. This is why new windows won't always solve problems with drafts. Many homeowners replace their windows spending thousands of dollars, only to discover the house still feels uncomfortable because the real air leakage pathways, they're still there. Before you invest thousands of dollars of your own hard-earned money in new windows, make sure you understand where the air is actually coming from. Sometimes the solution has less to do with the windows and more to do with the rest of your home's building envelope. Air leaks coming from the attic, crawl space, walls, or rim joists can easily be fixed using insulation, specifically something that creates an air seal. Now, if you want to learn more about air sealing insulation, like RetroFoam or spray foam insulation, check out our Learning Center. There you're going to find tons of articles and resources to answer all of your questions. I'm your building science brainiac reminding you to bring a little science to every project.